Hello, students. I just wanted to give you guys a very special update to the math section of my remote summer school, since I will be doing Alvord's Virtual Academy for the summer and also seeing how all you Prodigy Warriors are still battling in math, um, or not. But anyways, let's look at some of the stuff updates I've got for you guys. Okay, so first of all, I want you to see here that a new link has just been created. So when you hit present, you click Andrew Goldenbringer, okay? Because it's not going to literally say math resources, it actually does right down there. But if you click Andrew Goldenbringer has his own classroom. So instead of really calling it math, I've called it the training center. So this is the virtual training center for math. Okay, virtual training center for math for the kids who are doing Prodigy. As always, the link for Prodigy is right there. Link for ABC, yeah, another math game. And for my younger kids, starfall.com is right here. There's also a link to Clever for the kids who are working on iReady over the summer. So use those links to get you where you need to go. Okay, so a few things to show you. The first thing I want to show you is the hundreds chart. So if you go over here, so as you can see, the hundreds chart is right here. So if you click this, it will open up a hundreds chart. Same thing with the multiplication chart. If you click there, it will open a multiplication chart for my students working on multiplication. Okay, second thing that you're going to see is these are some cool things courtesy of a website called Dotaxcom. So with Dotaxcom, there's a few little manipulatives that I want you to familiarize yourself with. And over the summer, I'll be doing some video tutorials and videos on how to use each of these manipulatives, especially for the K2 crowd. So let's start with a few of those. The first one is color tiles, which is basically, pick a color. You can use it to count. You can use it to add, subtract, all that stuff. Or just decorate, for fun. All right. The second one here is a dice game. So you roll a dice and you can use the dice to create random math problems that you count and add. So adding once again. Also for my first graders like A, AL, and MC, here's the base 10 board. So if you open this, it will link to a base 10 board from didax.com that you can drag and drop little like manipulatives on. So you can practice doing base 10 problems when you're not playing Prodigy. Same thing here for my second, third, and fourth graders. This is the number block. So you can use those for when you're not doing Prodigy. Tiles and shapes is more for geometry and stuff. We don't address that much in our school, but address that much in the elementary school standards. But they're here too, just in case you need to do some practice. And it's kind of fun to make tiles. Um, Place value is a big standard, and I know that you guys are doing it. So there's a place value chart where you can put little tiles to identify the place value of a number with sticks, with little tiles. So that's about it. Just know that this is still developing. And of course, for all my students who are doing Prodigy, there's a number line from 0 to 20. But the real purposes of this is that these are the numbers that kids in kindergarten should be able to recognize in visual form. So if later on, if you click that link, it will open a Google drawing with also not only the numbers, but the names of the numbers as well. Okay, so that's about it in terms of the math update for now, but stay tuned for more updates from Mr. Tan, and I hope you keep battling warriors and address those deficits. All right, I will see you in the academy.